Hi guys, my name's Jen. I'm going to talk to you and show you and unbox this tent here. It's a 12 by 12 tent. I've had one similar to this. I'm really excited to show you. It comes in its own little container, so I'm going to unbox it really quick for you and show you how it comes. I really like it because it comes in its own little container, so if you want to put it away, you have something to put it into right away. So it comes just like this. I love it already. So it's a 12 by 12 tent, so it's going to be pretty big, but it comes in this nice zipper bag. We're going to unzipper it, set it up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So there's a caution thing on it right away. It says tent opens forcefully. Be cautious when opening. So you got to make sure that you put this away from your face and your body when you unclip it. So I'm just carefully going to be unclipping the side here. Alright, so here it goes. Ow! So that does really pop forcefully. So we'll see which way is up and which way is down. Alright, so this was really easy to put together. I did have 2 people help me put it up. It is a 12 by 12 tent. It is very, very large. Nice size. Really nicely made. No bugs are going to get in here. And then you have zippers on both sides. So there's one here and there's one on the other side. So I'm going to open it up and show you how big this is. Wow. So you can open the whole thing, and it has the little things up here, so you can roll it up and put it in there. Alright, like I said, this rolls up really easy. You just roll it up, and there's a little button on the top here, and then you just grab the back side, and you put it through the hole. Like I said, it rolls up really easily. You can do both sides if you want, but just like that. So you can leave it open, you can leave it closed, both sides open, and put it in there. But I'm going to show you really quick how big this is on the inside. And then you have another door on the opposite side. Same thing, you can roll it up and leave it up there if you want. But this would be great for like if you had a party or something, or you had some food, or you're playing poker. Really, really great. Like I said, 12 by 12. It's going to keep all the bugs out. It's nice and cool in here. And then it comes with stakes too, so you can easily stake it down at the bottom. So it's not going to go anywhere. Really, really cool. You can go camping in this too. This is really neat in here. Huge place. You could put like a picnic table in it. So highly recommend. This thing is really awesome.